Yes. I'm going to call that a conger. I'm hoping it was a conger. It's a PB conger for me. Oh, let me turn this bloody thing off so you can see my beautiful face. Yeah, so that's a PB for me. Well, whatever type of eel it is a PB for me anyway. Yes then, people, we're back out. Well, not we, I'm on my own tonight. Tommy didn't want to come because that's going to be an all-nighter. I think it's going to be like 11-12 hours, so it's a bit too much for him, so he's decided to stay home and save the world on his Xbox or his PlayStation. Yeah, I've thought I'd give calshot another go. I've done alright. Was it the last time? I can't remember if this where I came with Tommy. Yeah, I came with Tommy actually last time. We didn't get nothing, but the time before that I'd done alright. Nice dab, a few little whiting and stuff. So yeah, thought we'd try it again tonight. It's big tides tonight, so I'm gonna go at the front of the castle rather than the deep water. It should be a bit easier to fish, I think, because it's shallow. So I think they're like 4.7 metre tides tonight. It's pretty big for high tides at 12. It's a bit early. It's only just gone 7. So I've got plenty of time. The gate gets locked on the gate at the entrance gets locked. I think it's about 10 o'clock or something, half 10. So once that's locked, I'm here till 6, no matter what. I'm bloody knackered though. Didn't get much sleep last night, so yeah, I'll try and fish right through. If not, I'm just gonna pack up early hours and sleep in the car for a bit. But we'll see. It's a bit windy. It's windier than I thought it was going to be out there. Actually, it's I don't know. I think it's like 15 mile an hour, 16 mile an hour. But it drops. I think it drops right off at sort of 12 o'clock. So got a few hours to few hours of wind, and then hopefully we should be all right. I'm gonna fish literally right in front of the car, only because I'm here all night. If I get cold, I can sit in the car. If it gets too windy, too wet, whatever. So yeah, we'll have a go, shall we? See what we can get. Right, you watch the intro. I'll get set up. I'll bring you back in a minute. Go through me rigs and baits. Alright, see you in a bit. Morning. Whose idea was it to go fishing in the fucking cold? Oh, I definitely had a bite on the right hand rod. Here you go. Yes, come on, fish on. Have a look at that then. Hey? Okay, I'm well happy with that. It's a beaut. No, just got a fish. Oh, yes. I'm so happy with that. I am. That's made my day, that. Oh dear. We're gonna have to come fishing again. Well, I don't know what this is gonna record like, because I've not recorded a night session before, because it's my first one. But so far it's going alright. I had I think strap conger. I'll put a picture in now. Literally, that was on my first cast. I've been here like 4 hours. And I've just I've had the conger waiting, and I put a chum bag out down a few yards out. I've been casting to it, and I've just missed a bite that nearly pulled the rod in, so I was absolutely gutted. But I'll cast out to it again. Just put a biggish hook with a chunk of mackerel on it, because that's mostly what's in the chum bag. I'm here all night. I'm here till got no issue getting the bag back, so I won't leave it in the water. On the other rod, I've got a pulley pennel with half a sardine, or 3/4. Just chopped the tail and the head off. Put the rest on. I've had a couple of bites on it, but I think they might be like whiting. I think the hooks might be too big for them. But yeah, that other bite, that was massive. It like literally doubled the rod over. But yeah, I've had a conger. I've never caught a conger before. I think, like I say, if it's not a conger, let me know, because I don't know if it's just a silver eel or something. I don't know. But it had a big chunky head on it. So I'm hoping it is a conger, because then it's a new species for me. But I've got about, I think it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. I started fishing at 7. This is the first video, first time I press record. So just been, just thought, sorry, I was getting a load of bites, and I thought I'm just going to enjoy the fishing rather than worrying about the videoing. But it seems quietened off a bit. I think it's because it's almost bang on high tide. Well, I think we got a bite on the sardine. Yep. Might be a fish on camera. Let's not get our ropes up just yet. Probably a waiting anyway. Weird. Yeah, I think he's on there. Ooh, gee, that's heavy, whatever it is. I don't know if this line is wrapped around the tip. It feels a bit. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, I wonder if it was heavy. What the freaking hell's going on here? There we go. Right. Now let's bring it in. I bet there's nothing on it after all that. Feels like there's something on there. Don't know if you can see me on there or not. I'd say there's definitely something. Maybe it ain't conger again. Ah, it is. Bloody hell. It'll be even bigger, this one. Fuck you. Oh, sorry, I've blocked. I thingy that bit out. Oh. Right. Let's get him off. Yeah. He's only in the lip. Is that conger? If it is, it's my biggest one yet. Size of him. Bloody hell. Hey! Alright, can you see him or not? I don't know if you can see him, can you? Alright, let's get him back. Get him unhooked. That's right. I don't know why it keeps getting caught around them tip lights. I guess when I cast in it and then walking it back, it must go slack and just blow over it like that. It's annoying. Alright, let's get this bait changed anyway. Right, this is how I'm baiting the sand hill. Hey, shit. Every time I go fishing, I catch myself. Basically, it's got that hook as you put for as normal, and then just a little hook. Just a little tiny circle hook, that is. Just like that. It's only a small bait, but before I try something different. Normally I either try ragworms or just big baits. So I thought I'm just going to mix it up today. Right, let's get this out. Holy cow. I need to move the shelter. Must be from that boat. Made a bit of wavage. Might put this down for a minute. I don't really need it at the moment. Just put him up there. Right, I'm going to I'll bring this one in, see what's on it. I think there's something on there. I don't know if it's weed though. Feels like it might be another reel. If it's anything, it's another reel. Is it? It's a little one, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's a pout. Oh, there's me talking to you. I ain't even got the blue and light on, have I? Right, there you go. Is it? Was it? Pout. So was that a whiting, pout, and a possible conger tonight? Right, let's get this one unhooked and get her back. Right. What's that? Fish number 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Whoop! I tried to get the hook out without doing any damage and send the bloody thing flying. Come on, keep still. Powder. Right, let's get him back. Oh, I had a little knock. Let me put that light on. Yeah, I had a little knock on the pink one, but nothing's come of it. So I might reel that in. That's just got a pulley rig on it, but it's got a big hook on there. So I'm just gonna use the baits and just leave them big. Go big or go home, innit? I was a bit worried about catching congers and stuff, but seem alright, don't they? I mean, I got the hooks out. I know they weren't deep hooks, but I suppose I've got to get used to it, and I've got to catch them at some point. So yeah, I'm probably going to bring them both in, rebait them up, get them out there. One of them I'm going to put a massive, I don't know what I'm going to put on it yet, big chunk of mackerel or something. It's 12 o'clock now, so high tide was about half hour ago. I think the second high tide is like 2 o'clock. I'll probably fish that down for a couple of hours, and then I imagine I'll probably get in the car after about 4 or 5 o'clock. So I get half hour's kit before I drive home. Right, I'm going to bring them in, bait them up. Actually, yeah, I will, yeah. Oh, go have a coffee, I'm bloody thirsty. I think we just had a bite on the pink rod, well, pink light, pink tip, I don't know, right hand rod. Wasn't very big, it was a little rattle, so I don't know if it's like a pout or something. It's the one with the mackerel on it. Yeah, I'll say he's on there, unless it's a bit of weed pouring. Say there's something on there. Another species, another species. Doggy! Right. Not turning into a bad night after all, is it? Oh dear. Well, let me, I'll get this one unhooked. I know you've seen 1,000 dogfish, but I'm going to show you it in a minute. because I'm proud of it. Right, everyone, meet Snoopy. Snoopy the dogfish. Yeah. I think he's alright as well. He was quite deep hooked, but I got it out. And I'm hoping the little sucker's going to live. They swam off. And that's a good sign when you're a fish swimming. Right, I'm going to bring this one in. Get some fresh worm on it. Hopefully it's not behind there. I don't think I'll cast out. I'm getting very tired now. Oh, it's about 2 o'clock. Ah, we got fish. Oh dear. What is it? Whiting. I think it's a whiting. Let's have a look. Damn it. Oops. Knocked him out with me lid. There he is. Look at that. Can't see really. Can't see nothing. Well, that might be a pelt, is it? I don't know. It's one of them. It's definitely one of them. Right. Yeah, there's this one here. Oh. Hello. Might be a bit bigger. Oh, this is definitely bigger. That's another eel, I think. I can't really feel it kicking. It's definitely bigger. This feels quite decent. Shit, I'm not connected to that boat, am I? Looks like it is. Oh man, it's just a doggy. How heavy. There you go, look, it's just peed all over me. Hey, look, nice little doggy. Right, let's get him back. Fight another day. Oh, it's dinner time. And today, for dinner, Jaffa donuts. Have you ever heard of such a thing? I think it's just a big Jaffa cake, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's a Jaffa cake. Believe it or not, in the shape of a donut. Right. They're pretty good. It's just like a sponge with orange stuff inside, jam, and chocolate on top. I bet better than biscuits, Jaffa cake biscuits. All the Gear No Idea Food Review Club. Right, I think what I'm going to do now is say goodbye to you all. Because unless I'm probably going to turn the camera off, start packing down, unless I catch another fish. I won't turn the camera back on. But yeah, it's turned out alright, didn't it? I think I got 7 fish, I think, or 8 if you count the bass. If they're congers, they're PB congers. Well, if they're not congers, they're PB eels. So I've got 2 PBs broke tonight. Possibly 3 actually with the dogfish. Yeah, the first eel that I caught, the conger, was a PB because I'd never had one, and the second one was twice the size. So it's all good. Right, not sure where we're going to be next weekend. I think might have next weekend off for fishing actually, because boxing's on. Yeah, boxing's on Saturday, innit? Fury, why'd you have to get cut? So looking forward to that fight I was. But right, I'm gonna pack up. If I get a bite, I'll bring you back. If not, most likely see you in 2 weeks. Right, adios amigos.